Hey everyone, it's Burial here at Tekmetric, and in this video I am going to review our MotoVisuals integration. So oftentimes it is difficult to explain vehicle repairs to non-technical customers, especially when you're trying to explain over the phone or via email. So the MotoVisuals integration is actually a library that contains hundreds of repair animations in order to help better explain to car owners what certain parts of their vehicles do and the importance of getting them repaired. So in order to set up MotoVisuals, you're going to navigate to Shop Settings in the Integrations page and then click Sign Up on the bottom right of the integration box. And a Moto will appear reviewing that it's $59 a month, and if you do currently have a MotoVisuals account, you still need to register through Tekmetric, so please keep that in mind. Once you go ahead and review the terms on the Moto, you're going to go ahead and click Continue in order to sign up on the next page. Once you click Continue, you're going to enter your first name, last name, phone number, and email, and please review the terms and conditions of MotoVisuals and accept those terms and conditions. Once you select that you've agreed to them, you're going to go ahead and click Sign Up, and the integration will go ahead and be in progress. Our billing team will go ahead and set up the add-on to your subscription, and once they do connect the integration, you're going to get an email notification stating, hey, your MotoVisuals integration is now connected and you can begin setup. So once it is set up, we're going to navigate back into Tekmetric, and we're going to go to the inspections page and click into an inspection. And you'll notice that you can now connect a MotoVisuals video within each task of a DVI. You can do it for each task, and there is no limit to the number of tasks that can be connected to the video. You're going to click Add Video, and a video catalog will appear where you can search through the catalog, and even option to watch it within the Moto, and of course full screen if you're interested. And then you're going to go ahead and add it to your DVI and save your DVI. Once we save the inspection, we are going to navigate to a repair order so I can show you guys how the MotoVisuals videos appear within a DVI template. You'll notice once we add the DVI template, there are view educational video hyperlinks within each task that has a video set up. If you click these hyperlinks, a MotoVisuals video will appear, and this video is what was set up within the DVI template. Now let's go ahead and perform the inspection just so I can show you guys how it appears to your customers. Let's mark these yellow and red, and then we're going to go ahead and save the inspection. If I click the Share Inspection at the bottom right, you will now see the customer-facing version of the inspection link, and you'll notice the MotoVisual videos on the top right corner. Here, the customer will be able to view the MotoVisuals video whether it's on their phone or email. If you have any questions around the MotoVisuals integration, please do not hesitate to contact our support team.